English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. All but, sense, credibility. All but. All but is a phrase. C2 learners usually know all but. All but means almost. Here are some examples. The story was all but forgotten until she discovered it. It was so long ago he had all but forgotten his prison sentence. His practice time was all but wiped out because of the team's late arrival. Sense. Sense is a verb. C2 learners usually know sense. To sense something is to feel it without knowing how. Here are some examples. He could sense that he was not welcome. She sensed that something was about to happen. He was powerless to do anything. She could sense his frustration. Credibility. Credibility is a noun. C2 learners usually know credibility. Something or someone has credibility when it can be believed or trusted. Here are some examples. The research lacks credibility. The government's credibility has not yet recovered. Being published lends instant credibility to your audience. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with all but, sense and credibility. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.